Hey yo, what is up people? Hope you guys are having a great day, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat login in connection error. So it's pretty simple. So before starting this video, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified for our new video, and it helps our channel to grow as well. So be sure to do that, and let's start the video without any further ado. So yeah, watch this video until the end, otherwise you guys might get confused on how you guys can fix this problem. The first reason behind this could be if Snapchat server are offline. Like if Snapchat is under maintenance or like their servers are off, then you guys cannot log into your Snapchat. So make sure like Snapchat server is not off or like not under maintenance. To check that, you can go to your Twitter and check if Snapchat is like under maintenance or not. If a lot of people are tweeting about it, then it may be. And you can also go to like Snapchat's Reddit and check it out. So you can do this stuff, and through other websites as well you can check if it is offline or not. And if you're still facing this problem even though Snapchat server is not offline, then what you can do is make sure your internet connection is stable, because it's saying connection error. So basically it could be because of a slow internet connection. So make sure you have a stable and fast internet connection. And if you still face this problem, the other thing is make sure your Snapchat is up to date. This could be caused by some kind of bug. So make sure you have the latest version of Snapchat. For that, you can go to your Play Store and search for Snapchat like this. Once you search for it, as you guys can see, there's an open button over here. If you see an update button over here instead of open, that means your Snapchat is not up to date. So make sure your Snapchat is up to date. And if you still have this problem even after updating your Snapchat, basically the last option is to delete Snapchat and reinstall it again. Because if it is caused by some kind of error, then like deleting Snapchat and reinstalling it is the quickest way to fix it. So just do that. So yeah, these are all the options on how you guys can fix this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe button with notification on so you guys can get notified once our new video releases. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, peace out, have a nice day.